Very good morning. It's Mark here. It is 7:50 Eastern Time. That's 12:50 GMT. Pretty slow start. Slow start to the day with the feeling that it's going to pick up and then some. We've got the ECB rate decision coming up shortly. That's in about half an hour's time. US session gets going shortly. We will have 3 hours left of the European session. Long way to go. Starting off slowly. Let's see where we sit going into this US session. US dollar index 106.30. There you can see sitting right in the middle of my intraday range between 106.50 and 106, 105.93. There you can see small green candles pushing for higher highs the last few days, higher lows, looking to get back up to that 106.50 area. For the start of day, US dollar index has started off strong. Bear in mind, and we've seen over the past few weeks where we can get strong or weak US dollar up through the Asian European session. Once the US session gets started, we often do see a reversal. Starting out, US dollar index strong yesterday, an up day, and we're seeing the same thing start today. Let's look at our S&P 500. Sitting around 61.50, I believe, after yesterday's push higher. Today, pretty flat, sitting near that resistance level at 6,164. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see how it's hanging around the resistance area. It's been a long, slow, steady uptrend with higher highs, higher lows, sets new highs, and then looks to break, test, and move one step higher. If I go to the daily, you'll see how it's been doing that in that pattern for consistent time here since this low, beginning of November. There's the first push up, slight retracement down to the 58.70 area, and since then it's come up and taken that 6,000 area. Will look so pivotal, that 6,000 level, and a slow, steady climb with higher highs, higher lows all the way, and now testing resistance up here at 6167. Let's have a look at our commodities. Gold's had a really strong run, looking good. There you can see gold yesterday almost at the 2,800 level. A little bit of profit taken today, giving up a little bit of those gains we've seen over the past 4 days, and going hand in hand with our inverse relationship with US dollar. So we've seen strong US dollar to start the day. We're seeing weak gold to start the day. That's the inverse relationship. Let's have a look at oil. 73.56. Buyers going to be looking for that 74 level. You can see how for the past 3 days oil has been strong, bounced up strong once it got to that 71 support just below 70.82. Strong bounce up from the 71 support area, broke through 72, broke through 73, now sitting at 73.59. Buyers looking for that 74 level. There's the uptrend. What we do see is if you look at the lower highs, there, a little bit lower, and this also a little bit lower. So if we do get a turnaround here, that would be keeping with a long-term, possibly downtrend, but it is looking to test its resistance from last time here at the 74 level, going into the US section. That's how it's looking. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see how it just broke above that resistance at 73.73, come back down, sitting at that level right now, looking for the 74 will be the buyers, looking to come back and test 73 will be the sellers. Let's have a look at Bitcoin is starting out the day. Very strong day yesterday, and a strong range as well, over $6,000. There's the big green candle all the way from down here at 96,000 and got as high yesterday as almost 102,000. That's a strong move. Giving up a little bit today, taking a bit of a natural breather at this 102,000 level. Buyers will be looking to go up and test that all-time record high at 104,000, where sellers will look for this bounce down that we're seeing off this resistance at 102,000, sitting right now at 100,000, 100,800, looking to come and test support at 99,700. In other words, sellers looking to get below 100,000, buyers looking to maintain above 100,000, looking at 104,000. Good trading, guys. Keep it disciplined.